a world-class player and be loved by everyone, but you look exactly like Ronaldinho. Beat your dad in football, but he accidentally steps on your foot and breaks it and you won't play for 1 year. Have your shirt signed by all Real Madrid players and your idols, but the third person that shows up after you click share, then more, will burn the shirt if he finds it. Play in the same team with Mbappe and Haaland, but they won't let you score more goals and assists than them. Destroy your classmates in a football match, but they won't talk to you for an entire month.